It's been 8 days since we've been to the field. I think it was last Wednesday. So we got rain for a couple of days, not a whole lot. Over about 3 days we got 2 inches. So the hurricane really didn't affect us. No wind to amount to anything, so we fared pretty good. It's just now drying up enough for us to get back in the field. I'm gonna try to get this thing turned around, headed out. Like I said, didn't get a whole lot of rain, but it's wet. This was the last field planted, and may be the best field of corn. Tops are broke out on a lot of it, but we want to get it here pretty soon. And this field was ripped and disced, so we worked up a seed bank. Down in back, he got a hopper full. So I think he's gonna check moisture, and we're gonna go from there. Math pull out. Well, we're shutting down. Took them 32 rows before I ever got them stopped to take a moisture sample, and 18%. We're done for the day. Well, it's Monday, October the 7th. We hand checked some. 14.5, so it's going to be around 15.5 time we get it combine, and that'll be good. So maybe we'll get us a load pretty soon and knock this field out. 40 something acres here. Sure is dusty. So far this field right here turned out really good. Probably the only field we got is going to turn out good, but had some that we cut last week on this truck. It was high moisture, so we've had the tarp unrolled and mixing it with this what we're cutting today. So maybe they won't turn us around or dock us too much. Kinda got a little worried there. We might be have a little line. This guy, we've been running together up 43, and at the red light back there, had another guy pulling in. So we'll just have to see if we're here for a while or not. Well, I thought that was going to turn us down for moisture. 15:10, so we're good. Let's get back to field. Right when I pulled up, he was full, so I was pulled in the field. He got quite a bit done. May not be turning out as good as what I thought. Usually up in this area though, the fields are not the best in the world. So I'm gonna find out what's on the grain cart and unload on here, I guess. Nearly a cart full. So I may be back on the road here soon. Maybe another good hopper and I'll have a load after I put this on. Well, he's got me full. He's gonna put on the grain cart now. If there's anything coming, and we're going to town. Well, I got back. He's waiting with a full one, but I could see dust up the road, so I think he just got full. Grain cart's full. If we can get loaded in the next 30 minutes, we can haul off another load tonight. They close at 6, 4:51. I think we can do it. Well, let's get the grain cart. Got the front half of the truck loaded, putting on the back. One good hopper from him, and we should be loaded. Well, I'm gone again. 5:38, so we got up here with 20 minutes to spare. Don't look like there's much activity, so maybe we can get unloaded, get back, load it, and probably have to quit again for in the morning. Have a load in the morning.
Yeah, quit out.
In and out, 13.3 on the moisture. So maybe I get this off early in the morning. We'll get started early in the morning. Did get started about 1 or 2 this afternoon. I just got back to the field. He's not got the grain cart full. Something must have happened because it don't look like he got a whole lot done while I was gone. I was hoping to get this truck full, ready for in the morning. Good Tuesday morning. Well, we've been going for several minutes. I've done carried a load off that we cut last night. So we're about to wrap this part of the farm up. Got 13 acres across the tree line there we got to get. So maybe we'll have us another truckload off this farm. Maybe a truckload plus some. And that'll leave us down to about 90 acres. Two different farms, a 70-acre farm and 21-acre farm. So we're about to wrap it up. got it done. I'm gonna take the truck back up here top of the hill because I can't get it into the other field, and probably cart a little bit up the road. Got a wet spot growed up, and it stays wet down here. It seems like crops screw up at the end of the season, but I'm gonna have to cart this up the road. Surely you can see the semi. So I'm just hanging out here for a bit. We're trying to get a cart full, and another cart should fill the truck. I don't know if it's if a truck will hold the rest of this field, which that's a good problem to have, I guess, especially in the year we've had this year. Well, I got a load quicker than what I thought. For some reason, I was thinking that it took 2 grain carts to fill half the truck, and I had half a truck full. It's actually 2 grain carts to fill the truck. So I think there's enough at least for 3/4 of a load left. That tender truck right in front of me there, sitting on scales when I got here, he has no CB, and that's how, he says a little orange sign, we communicate on CB. Well, it looks like it's busy up here. When I got into town, I could hear a lot of stuff going on, but I think over here in the old pit they're doing soybeans, and every time I've been up here the last 2 days, it seems like it's been a kind of a slow go over there. So maybe I can get in and out pretty quick. A little bit dusty today. Well, I came back to a full cart and a full combine, and what looks like left might have close to a full load. So he don't like much at all, maybe 2 passes. I'm not fully loaded, but probably 3/4 of a load. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, and then Dad's gonna take the header off the combine and get headed over to the other farm. Oh, he strapped it down, so we might check it here in a little bit. That can be tightened up a little bit, might shake down. Alright, I guess he's waiting on me, so I'm gonna get to the field. Well, we hooked up and running, and we've been dreading this field. We didn't think nothing was there. So it's not gonna be as bad as what we thought, but it's not gonna be good. There's the small ones. So we're gonna cut out a spot and bring the 18-wheeler over here and grain cart and go from there. Well, I'm gonna take back what I said earlier about this might be some pretty decent corn. We done cut enough to have a hopper, and there ain't but maybe 30 bushel in the bin. So nothing interesting happening. It's gonna be pushing to get a full load to go off in the morning tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this a video. Having to film on my cell phone. Both cameras went dead on me today, so probably one more video of corn harvest and we'll be done. So thanks for watching. God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.